Alright, news just coming in. The Supreme Court has asked the Haryana government to give details of land acquired in Haryana under the Special Economic Zone since 2003. The government has to explain within 2 weeks how the land was acquired and how it was used under the existing provision. Harayan Janhit Congress Chief Kuldeep Bishnoi has moved the petition against the Hooda government. He has claimed that the land acquired under SEZ was later sold to private builders. This is news just coming in cases of land being sold to private builders by the state government and embezzlement of funds. Remember, there's also another similar story that's been constantly being reported by the media involving Robert Vadra as well. This, of course, is another story where the Supreme Court has asked the Haryana government to give us status or details of land that has been acquired by the state. We're being joined by Jaskirat Singh Baba on the phone line from the national capital. Jaskirat, what prompted this order from the Supreme Court?
Well, there's a petition pending in the Supreme Court with regards to the central government's SEZ rules, the Special Economic Zone rules, and about how land is being allotted. Now, as a part of that, various states are under the scanner, including Gujarat and Haryana. So today, Haryana's turn came up, and this is a petition that's been filed by Kuldeep Bishnoi. When the petition details came up for argument, the Supreme Court has asked and directed the Haryana government to furnish details about the land allotment under the SEZ zones across the state of Haryana, to furnish the details, because according to the petitioner, many of those deals actually took place outside the ambit of a proper law and were arbitrary in nature. So as a part of the whole scanning and deliberation over the allotment of land in SEZ, the Supreme Court today has directed the Haryana government to furnish those details.
Right, and Jaskirat, isn't this similar to what Ashok Khemka, the former IS officer, has also been highlighting?
Well, somewhat similar, because Ashok Khemka was also specifically questioning some of these deals and the land which is allotted. However, over here, the Supreme Court is actually looking at the larger question of the allotment of land under the central policy for special economic zones. So what we can actually expect is not just the state of Haryana, but also other states to come under the scanner in this ongoing case.
All right, Jaskirat telling us that it was the turn of Haryana. Next on the radar is Gujarat. Jaskirat, thanks so much for that update. We'll continue tracking developments and also get a reaction from opposition parties in Haryana.